I'm really excited to show you this lakefront home, situated in a cove with deep water off the 47-mile marker. It has really unique entertainment spaces inside that puts a lot of heads to beds, but also an awesome entertainment space on the outside with massive deck space, a cool fire pit area, panoramic views of the water, and a nice sturdy concrete dock. Today we're at 203 Kejo Point in Gravois Mills. Let's go take a look around. Thanks so much for taking a look at this house with me today. My name is Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro team. We would love to show you this house in person, so give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.